Skulbah University of Science and Technology Meghalaya hakashipho terek rempang kalayo ban Sdang ya Lympung ya lekai Inter University kabahetam hapo kajingelam jongka Association of Indian Universities kabatip kum ka AIU zone Inter University Handball Tournament balapenlong hamadan ya lekai Sports Complex jongka te Skulbah da kajinge lekai kabaningkong hapdeng ka Berhampur University Odisha bat Banaras Hindu University. Hakani ka Lympung lawan ya Shim Bynta da kumbasan pautli ki Skulbah ka balakot kumbah nyopusan tli ki kunhu ni lekai ki balawan banmi khamat na kaleng ki jela jong ka East Zone. Ya kate ka Lympung ka bahe jong ki Skulbah lawan ban play da uba wailat mi ki Shilla menteri bapet ya ki kami lekai sports bat ka kot ka khia jong ka jela kumukong san bat la sakhilang ru da uba Matthew Kenneth Makdo MDC ki HEDC Narayan Bhuyan no ya lekai bapau nam na Assam Bobby L. Nongbet, District Sports Officer Ribhoy, Kadipa Chaudhary, Joint Secretary Assam Olympic Association, but Gautam Chaudhary, Associate Joint Secretary Assam Olympic Association. Habakran hagate ka jingelang uba wailat miki Shilla ulaong. Baka kami lekai kamdei tang ka jinge kop haki madan bat kirensan. Nrei ka long ka atiar ka bakrao ban wanra ya ka jinge tli, ka jinge it, bat ka jinge dei hapo kari. Ulaya ro ya ka Skulbah Ustm da ka baong da ka bapenlong ya kum kini ki Lympung ki bahe kala plelat plelenti ki Samla pule ban sngo tho ba ka jingjob kamde ban long tang hapo ka kampule henrei ha ka jing imru hadin balawai ka jingelang uba wailat miki kum menteri bade pet ya ka kwat ya khia ulalit ru ban ya kandu iki Samla pule medical ayurvedic but nursing ha ka ba ulayo ban ya kran phliu jingmut bat bansa miki jingmut jing perkhat halor ka kwat ka khia bat ka jingkit khli jang ki Samla ha ka emlang sa lang हाथी तो हथियार है तेरे जीत ले तू ये हाथों से झूले आसमां को हाथों से घुमा दे जहां को नहीं सोच वाला भरे जोश वाला इंडिया चलेगा है बहुत हाथों से झूले आसमां को हाथों से घुमा दे जहां को नहीं सोच वाला भरे जोश वाला इंडिया चलेगा है बहुत
match between Banaras Hindu University versus the balls with the Banaras University. The blockage by PHU. Let's see who can score first. And the last block. Ball possession with ball by Khubor. A second trial. Passing the ball smoothly. Chance missed. The ball smoothly, chance created, did not shoot but passing again. Shoot but missed it. Now the ball position to the again PHU. Ball with the Harshit. Turgan is there, number 3. Score by PHU.
Respected Vice Chancellor and the member of the host university, esteemed officials of the Association of Indian Universities and Handball Federation, distinguished guests on the dais, coaches, referees, and team managers, and my dear students, athletes, both men and women, ladies and gentlemen. Before I proceed with my speech, I would like to just introduce myself, and at the same time, as a sport minister of this state, I would like to take this opportunity to welcome all of you to our beloved state of Meghalaya. I hope you will have a memorable stay, which I am totally confident that the host university, which is one of the premier institute in our northeastern region, will make and definitely make your stay a memorable one. Myself, my name is Wailat Miki Shilla. This is my second time as an MLA. Just for your information, maybe I look old, but I'm just 35 years of age. Why I'm telling you that? My age is not that different from yours. And I am very happy to be here, to be present today as your chief guest on this auspicious occasion of the inaugural ceremony of the East Zone Inter-University Handball Tournament for men and women. I congratulate the host university and the organizing committee for taking up this important responsibility for the excellent arrangement made for this prestigious event. Sports play a vital role in shaping not only strong bodies, but also disciplined, confident, and responsible citizen. Tournaments such as this one provide young athletes an invaluable platform to showcase their talent, test their skills, and learn the true spirit of competition. Handball in particular is a game that demands speed, teamwork, strategy, and mental toughness qualities that are equally essential in life beyond the playing field. I'm especially happy to see enthusiastic participants from universities across the East Zone, and I am proud that both men and women athletes are competing on the same platform. This reflects our collective commitment toward gender equality in sports and the belief that talent knows no boundaries. Dear players, remember that while winning is important, it is not the only goal. What truly matters is how you play the game with fairness, respect for opponent, obedience to rule, and grace in both victory and defeat. Carry these values with you, and they will serve you well throughout your life. From February 10 to 14, promise not just thrilling handball action, but a celebration of youth, grit, and unbreakable team spirits. As a sport minister, I would like to reaffirm that the government is fully committed to strengthen the sport ecosystem from grassroots to elite levels. Universities play a crucial role in identifying and nurturing sporting talent, and even like this, tournaments are stepping stones toward national and international excellence. I also take this opportunity to appreciate the efforts of coaches, officials, referees, volunteers, and support staff whose dedication make such tournament possible. Your contribution to the development of sports is truly commendable.
Isa yang ini mengenai equality isu yang pasti kota. Isa kembali meni kena ibuan ini MBBS ini midang so yang dia kaba kalian nak banta rejusir ini by college fees dengan kata yang juga bagi yang dikot equity kita ada bagi yang sale isa kalau tebel ba college status kalau kabaran yang kebanyakan musim Desa abaya muncul kiwe di kena kiwe yo model of state water dan compare buat se kampun sya mani bersih bani ki buat di dengan state water tu. Desa kita kerpa di tiba alam kejadian nyerap alam kejadian yang terjadi nama badan penjuni ijtima yang ini dibandingkan jenjang dan siapa pihak yang dikabai hostel kabai college fees nama dan lagi dibilang yang mengset di bedana berjiwa bisa buat kunjung dan dibelamat ban ino ia ini nama gaji jona baik makna bersama kalau itu pun kita sosial di hamsa yang taban pentap yang tak ada di dalam Desa ni kerpat epi bahkan jarapnya di KJK di bagi juga ni kerpat yang telah berkesangan di KJK di sini buat kunjung yang ke bawah ini nyemak sebanyak masalahnya kes ia bantuan penelaman yang penting dari usia nomor tolong orang desa ni kerpat yang bapi dan Shim nak kita ni ke government pembahasan dari mana mungkin lah ia orang ada jenera financial support.
Dan hari September, Oktober di dalam tuan apa sejauh ia cerita bersama situ. Dengan apa sejauh dari kerja tentang di katakan jadi kecil. Hari itu aku berkuat di awal dalam operasi hospital. Di New York ada karena misalnya sebab menunjukkan hasil kerja daerah ini yang dibina dan bahawa tidak dapat dijelaskan dari pemerintah Indonesia adalah beri dan ada jadi dan financial support, extra financial support pada negara anggota Indonesia. Indonesia, despite ini baru kejadian financial difficulties yang besar, mendapat pindahan di panel di China jalan jalan ini diperformkan hingga kelas exam. Average percentage dari 65%. Jadi besar dalam kurang untuk aktiviti dari former student. Dari student tidak sama situ. Dengan kelas jalan dari kerja tentang di katakan jadi kecil. Hari itu aku berkuat di awal dalam operasi hospital. Di New York ada karena misalnya sebab menunjukkan di hasil kerja daerah ini yang dibina dan bahawa tidak dapat dijelaskan dari pemerintah Indonesia adalah beri dan ada jadi dan financial support, extra financial support pada negara anggota Indonesia. Indonesia, despite ini baru kejadian financial difficulties yang besar, mendapat pindahan di panel di China jalan
dunia dalam masyarakat dunia. But still then, because ini ngarang Yosno for the first time, makan Lympung, that definitely nasa rakyat ini nasa discuss lagi officer Shillong haru. Mana request if you nak yang any high definition around if anything, then kamu ini feel free to come and approach lagi ini nanti saya discuss. Yang tadi saya discuss lagi lagi officer Shillong itu perlu hukum bagi anda susu dan era lebih halal kata. Ban sesuatu ban yang kami chancellor kita discuss last time dengan Makiro bidang Makiro himbe di lalu private Makiro kita tambah expand ya kata. Makiro definitely in expect the human skills. Makiro umur kita skill kita bisa jadi. Jadi tadi saya discuss pada department dengan saya seperti whatever it is. Manla, what we can move ahead to, definitely nasa penting syafi, in what we dengan address issue more.